Hi, Linda Hollington here, trying out some new backgrounds. What do you think? I wanted to talk to you about open houses. We have ramped up on open houses since the houses are not selling so fast. There's time for people to have more time to look and to get out and look at houses. If you're a buyer or you're thinking about buying, it's a good step to get out and look at homes at the open houses so you can compare pricing on what you're getting. It just teaches you a lot to get out there and look. If you want a list, any realtor can provide it for you. If you have a realtor, contact them and ask them for a list of open houses. This weekend, there's quite a few. If you do not have a realtor, contact us. I will leave my my phone number. You can text me and I'll send them to you. You can drive around and look at your own leisure, and there's quite a few. Even a seller, I would recommend get out and look what's in your neighborhood. See what is comparable to your house if you're thinking about going on the market. It'll give you some idea of what that house compares to yours and what it's selling for. You'll know what the competition is. So if you're interested in open houses and you need some information on that, contact your realtor or us. Thank you for watching. Bye.